Greetings and good day to all of you. Today, the topic is operators in Java. The topics which we will cover through this presentation are operator associativity, arithmetic assignment operator, relational operator, and logical operator. In this slide, the topic is operator associativity. See, when we talk about the operators, there are two properties related with operators are operator hierarchy and operator associativity. Now, what is a operator hierarchy? Operator hierarchy is the order of execution of operators according to the priority wise. When I say priority wise, it means that which has the highest priority, it is unary operator. Plus plus and minus minus are the unary operator. After this, what comes? Divide, modulus operator, and multiply. This has the next priority. After this, which has the lowest priority? Plus and minus. Now, what is associativity? Associativity tells us the direction of execution of operators of the same precedence. Same precedence means if multiply, divide and modulus comes in the same line, so whichever how we will execute, they will execute according to the associativity, and the associativity of all these three operators are left to right. Whichever comes first in the expression will be solved first. Now after this, there are two kinds of associativity. This is left to right and right to left. The left associative operators of the same precedence are evaluated in order from left to right. So for example, addition and subtraction, they have the same precedence and they are left associativity. Fine. In the expression 10 minus 4 plus 2, the subtraction is done first. Why the subtraction is done first? Because it comes first in the expression. As it comes first in the expression, it will be solved first because minus and plus have the same priority. So the subtraction is done first because it is to the left of the addition, producing a value of 8. The right associative operators of the same precedence are evaluated in order from right to left. So for example, assignment is right associativity. Consider the following code fragment: int a equal to 3, b equal to 4. So we have two variables, 3 is initialized in A and 4 is initialized in 4. But if we write A equal to B equal to 5, it means it has right to left. The assignment operator has right to left associativity. It means 5 is gone to my B variable, and after this the B value is assigned to my A variable. So after the code has been evaluated, both A and B contains 5 because the assignments are evaluated from right to left. Now again we see one more example, the plus operator. Now plus is the arithmetic operator and it has left to right associativity. Now system.out.println 1 plus 2 plus ABC, and the answer comes 3ABC. Why? Because if you remember in the previous tutorials we have discussed integer plus string. The answer comes in string. Fine. Now 1 plus 2, as this is 1 is integer, 2 is integer, so 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. 3 plus ABC and integer plus string, and the answer comes 3ABC. Fine. Now in the second statement, system.out.println ABC, this is a string plus 1. Now it will be solved first. Fine. ABC plus 1, answer comes ABC1. Again ABC1 plus 2, as again ABC1 is a string, 2 is integer, so string plus integer, and the answer is ABC1 2. Now in another example, 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. Now again divide and multiply, it has the same priority. Fine. But according to the associativity, left to right means whichever comes first. So which operator is coming first? Divide, in the absence of brackets. Fine. So left to right, again, how will I do this? 10 divided by 2, it gives me the quotient 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 and the answer comes 25. Now again, if I put a bracket, 2 multiplied by 5, now this will change the associativity. Now again this bracket will be solved first. Now again the associativity is right to left, so 2 multiplied by 5, answer comes 10. 10 divided by 10, the quotient comes 1. Now in this slide we will be introduced with the concept of arithmetic assignment operators. The definition says that these are special operators that can be used to combine an arithmetic operation with an assignment. So what we are doing, we are combining arithmetic operation with an assignment operator. Arithmetic operation operators plus minus multiply divide and assignment operator equal to. These are also known as shorthand operators. So what is the other name of arithmetic assignment operator? Shorthand operator. And what is the syntax? First we write variable name, space and operator equal to expression. Now, for example, I equal to I plus 5. This can also be rewritten as I plus equal to 5. So let's say my I is initialized with 10. So I equal to I plus 5, 10 plus 5. Answer comes 15. So instead of writing this line, how I can write? I plus equal to, see this is plus and equal to. This plus and equal to, what is this? This is arithmetic and this is assignment operators. And then this is the variable, I is the variable, is equal to expression. So what the expression here? 5. Now in the next slide, we have different types of operators: plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, divide equal to, and in the last modulus equal to. Now in this example, I is initialized with 5 and j is initialized with 10. So instead of writing I equal to I plus 5, the answer is 10. How I can write? I can combine this plus and equal to, this plus and equal to, and how I can write? I plus is equal to 5. Fine. Instead of j equal to j minus 2, how I can write? J and then first arithmetic operator minus and then assignment operator equal to, and then comes expression 2. Now, the next slide is about the relational operator, and the definition says that it is used to compare two values and return the result in the form of true or false. So basically, relational operators are used to see the relationship between two variables or between two values, and the result of these expression is either true or false. True and false means either they are valid or the answer is invalid. So the different types of relational operators in Java according to the table are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and the last not equal to. Now, in the example of relational operator, see A is initialized with 10 and B is initialized with 20. So, if I am writing system.out.println A equal to B. See, what is this equal to equal to? This is a relational operator which is comparing both the values of A and B. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So, the answer is false. Please remember that the output of relational operator is always Boolean data type, that is either true or false. The second system.out.println A is not equal to B. See, is A is not equal to B? Yes, they are not equal to the B. So the answer is true. System.out.println is A greater than B? No, this is false. System.out.println is A less than B? Yes, it is true. 10 is less than 20. The answer is true. System.out.println is B greater than and equal to A? Yes, it is greater than. So the answer is true. System.out.println is B less than and equal to A? This is again false. The value of B is 20. No, it is not less than and equal to A. In this slide, let us understand the difference between equal to and double equal to. See, the single equal to is known as assignment operator, and it is used to assign data from the right hand side of equal to the left hand side. So for example, if I'm writing A is equal to 5, so what I'm doing, I'm assigning 5 to my A variable, the data from the right hand side, which is at the right hand side of the equal to my left hand side. So I am assigning 5 to my A variable with the help of assignment operator. The second is known as equal to operator, and it is used to check whether the values at both the sides are equal or not. So this operator is known as equality operator, which comes under the category of the relational operator, and it is used to compare both the values whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, it returns you true. If they are not equal, it returns false. So for example, if a equal to 5 and after this I am writing b equal to 2, fine, and I'm writing a equal to b. Now in this first statement, what I'm doing, I'm simply assigning the values to my variables by using assignment operator, and in the second statement I'm comparing both the values by using this equality operator, whether they are equal. So in this example, they both are not equal. 5 is not equal to 2, so the answer is false. Now here comes the introduction of the logical operator. The definition says that they are used to combine one or more relational expression. So Java uses logical operator and or not. These operators return true or false depending upon the outcome of different expression. So in case of AND operator, the AND operator returns true if both the expressions returns true. If both the expression are true, it will give you true. The OR operator is used to again combine two conditional expression, and it will result in true if either of any two condition is true, otherwise it will return false. And in case of NOT operator, we use NOT operator when we want to revert the outcome of an expression. It is a unary operator because it uses a single operand. Now in this slide, see, we have a table and we have initialized x and y. T stands for true and F stands for false. So in x and y, in the first statement, x is t and y is t. When we combine both these conditions by using AND operator, it returns you true. Why? Because for the AND operator, all the condition must be true if the outcome is true, and in case of OR operator it returns you true. The second point says that x is t and y is f. In this case, when we combine both these conditions, the answer is f in case of AND operator. Why? Because for the AND operator, if any of the condition is false, it will return you false, fine. And in case of OR operator, it will return you true, because in case of OR operator, if any one condition is true, it will return you true. The third is x is f, y is t. Again, by using AND operator we get f, but in case of OR operator we get t. And the last, x is f, y is f. So both the conditions are false. Now in this case, in case of AND operator, the answer is f, and in case of OR operator, again the answer is f. Now in this example, a equal to 10, b 20, c 30. Now in the first line, I write that if a is less than b and operator a is less than c. Now according to this example, a is 10 is less than 20 and 10 is less than 30. Now both the conditions are true, so answer is true. In the second statement, a is greater than b or a is greater than c. Now 10 is greater than 20, this condition is false. But a is less than c. Now a is what? 10, c is 30. So 10 is less than 30, this condition is true. One condition is false and the another condition is true. But in case of OR operator, if any one condition is true, it will return you true. So in this case, my answer is true. The third is system.out.println. I'm using not operator. Is a less than b? Now 10 is less than 20. This condition is true. But as I'm using not operator, and not operator reverts the outcome of an expression. What is the outcome of a less than b? True. But as I'm using not operator, the answer is false. Okay, in this slide, we will discuss the questions based on predict the output. See, A is initialized with 1, B is initialized with 2, and C is initialized with 3. Now, in the first expression, A is greater than B and operator C multiplied by 3 is greater than and equal to 5 plus A. Now, first of all, you assign the value of A, B, and C. Now, is 1 greater than 2? The answer is false. And operator 3 multiplied by 3, 9 is greater than and equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Now one is false, another one is true. By using AND operator, the answer is false. If both these are true, the answer is true. If both these are false, the answer is false. If any one is false, the answer is false in case of AND operator. In the second example, plus plus a is less than b plus plus or operator minus minus b less than c minus minus. Now, as prefix and postfix has the highest priority, so first of all, we'll assign the value according to prefix and postfix. Now, plus plus a, after the execution of this, what is the new value of a? It is 2. After then it is less than b plus plus. After the execution of b plus plus, the new value of b is 3, but as this is the postfix, we use the original value, which is 2. Or operator minus minus b, after the execution of minus minus b again becomes 2, and this is a prefix, so I'm using the updated value 2 is less than c minus minus. So after the execution of the c minus minus, c is again 2, but as this is a postfix, I'm using the original value, which is 3. Now one is false, another one is true. In case of or operator, the answer is true. Now in the third, a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, same values. Here comes the use of not operator. See, again in the bracket, a is less than b plus plus and operator, c plus b is greater than and equal to a plus plus multiplied by 2. So as first of all assign the values of prefix and postfix. So a value is 1, it is less than b plus plus. So after the execution of this b plus plus, the value of after the execution of b++, the new value of b is now 3. But as this is a postfix, I am using the original value 2 and operator c. C value is 3. 3 plus b. What is the new value of b? 3. So 3 plus 3 is greater than and equal to 1 multiplied by 2. Now again, is 1 less than 2? The answer is true. And operator 3 plus 3 is 6. It is greater than and equal to 2. The answer is true. Again, true ampersand operator and operator true, and the answer is true, but outside of a bracket is not operator, and not operator we use when we want to revert the outcome of an expression, we want the opposite of an expression. So if it is true, by not operator the answer becomes false. Now this is the end of the tutorial, so stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.